say yamwa kwa babiem Adom TV Badwam dwumade so wa fei na wo do afidi ato ha no de nyame ase pa ema yenkra ene anipadua se ne fefe ewiemu adwoi ye nyina ka ate asefo ho ye da se stations ne doso enso wo de abribi Adom TV ene da e de ase de ma wo anopa me ne se ben erade aye Adom ama ye nkwan ne akwa ne nyina ye adwuma igina so ba besomo unti ene erade hwe so da ma de pa achi be me na no pe ye mo achi
o mejuso
bibi aboko de
oko okay na meti asa meti se okas sai yiwe ampedu abado ndo ya de on the side bro for me do focus me ma wa mo abadu ma me G major wa ma me ngu wa ma me ni me abadu ma me F flat I so betima ko si ma no my no na de etim ko ani me voice na de mo fan cheme eti de nyame ase said wasi kaka na ya de nyame ase okwan so ko so but
na dem say see ko online answer
ya be ko online answer na okay answer na eti ba ban sma wo do to jo de obokrata ni eti si ba online na maka o sa apomu de nkomo ho agokansi nkomo ho awsepe nkomo ho asemidi council nkomo ho na afia atrase on pensen mu ni adawase na ewie bedwam da biribi da de kai o se si ewie bedwam na Adom TV de ye wo nioma eye papa o nti wobeto aso ahwe Adom TV na akopem se wa obeka che won se wa bre na mo stay yebeto aso ednioma papa de ma nti ye buy online stories na sad one di kan for your
former NDCMP passes on na say can NDC mrashe bedwani frimu to badwamonline.com details ni nyina so ha doroma na wajebre na wakenkan afi wo de ba amanyonsem a wo se voter registration dafia mapo threatens to summon Jane Mensah over funds usage and also news here the bros see South Dai mrashe bedwani
I see kasem no
as one tia and per the news the o chechire mu no as a nipa was say isi nkwantume nti as o employ bi no de bi kan ho ba say no so nya watete so into ono kwa accuse easy say ono so ka ho e ma unemployment no so koso iti edoson e wo mu e wa ha Freemason make grand donation towards the two force heal comfort anoche project into Freemason for so omo your donation support etem otumfo to kokoso on the 25th anniversary now we dey till end of year
but na ye ni
oh na dey the time but when him so change so so started there last week in so to aso a nti ye de babra mo so de ye otumfo de no sa pepepe aha say amamre ye de ba abo a chiri say so wo hwe Adom TV a ye de mam wonni hon so wonni ne ekoso ho nti ni nyina so ye de beba fei traders to stage the move against government in 2 weeks if and we so news ye de abramo dada your friend is say ya wo so omuyi oh sorry they say akwa na ma mrefi
we dey kuse wait ma ko so kai
you know when you football nti yimo de beba kejuwa ni team no 2023-2024 GHPL MD 31 rap say Asante Kotoko crashes hearts of folk as heart of lions
Mate
anti that Kotoko
Mate
omo relegation
me ba try oh nyame ne da na sese na the heart of folk ko orade ye da wase o nyame de won to so ni mu wase da Mate. Se mate. Penmu de one ne beku ba o widie mu no betise eni o ma ne na widie mienu no aka 3 minutes class am edwuma oh to kra o man sha am kra ya nanti jobs bia na team o mo ba o mo de safety pin na bobo o mo yim o mo no o mo jese mu please me enko ado peva ne enko sima do aka
no enti agusa sam ware anu nyina beto so ne afa ya hwe ni table no baby omo da se true omo
wa ma ha sem kwa do kaka
na ma kai we no yi Snake hotels na say ya de abramo last week na enti no
Snake sem dwedefo ti wo house of folk everybody jacobo
ne en kai se na so yemie line
house of folk men nante mo so
unya bi shade a we dwe o udwam sei
bra ya bre
enti amre ma ye ho kwan a o man beka ye be phone line no
ya bre papa
0302 211 701 702 703 0302 211 701 702 703 amre ma ye ho kwan a ye de no beba nti do bon krata daily graphic aba mpachon
okay so daily graphic we there wa nyade me na say me cancel out daily graphic say We will stabilize CD. Finance Minister Anna Airshaw on my money. Now say you see Kasema intimina yi na fe chiana ekosi 14.5 15.2 then as a basis also to boss. Say him ni na no. Ghana from to boss enche bia ebeba from kakra. Church of Pentecost calls for drastic measures to curb galamsey. Pentecost is from na no to. Hey, illegal mining pa na ekosi say. Yam fa ehye bi nto akoma ano hye. I bet me a brain as a cry. Yes, idea. And the unique senior how can say the bebre of my Ghana. Any man will say also graphic national development dialogue series. Experts speak on quality health tomorrow. You will call graphic. I don't know what I hear. If you say be did in Komobi or sing me at Mechana. The Omobe Casa found your apomodin was my pomodin papa, my papa, and one como Anna one ABD. The other two said the Inquisitor, the Obocrata, say Inquisitor Ayakradwa. Supply assurance for downstream petroleum, H fields pops up. And what's them? Elhanum say. I feel the era Attorney General Godfrey Dami and a year Richard Jackpa, Omufu Yinabetua. Dami runs from Jackpa and also and what's them one say. There were any Macacraka say Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe, Energy Ministry Paris Taylor's allegations against NAPO and NHIS getting bigger and better. 6.3 million children to be registered. NHI boss na waka say era Dr. Da Costa Abuaji NHI penny pa.
But the new independent but yanya for back. Okay. Enti ayakase me ana say elembele mankind. I don't pay you watching more kwa Badwam TV Badwam so.
Yo, so Badwam so. Oba no wife. Medasi pa. Now can football team. Yeso kakebe kano yebebo ye chief Nana Batake ene Simon na Woma ene chairman atitu ene judge ba nyina baso. Na ye wo Premier League ba ko ewo Premier team ba ko sorry ewo Nzema ha. For the entire three Nzema constituency no. Tarela United na omo free ha. Nyame adaroma kuru ba kwa wanze ma ayefe no Bataka wolu stars nyame lauma o ma kai 2 matches and da yanso ye wone ye go Premier ni bi I been mu ko relegation no na yanso ye ba
mo ya da se papa enti lines no ye be 0302 211 701 now nso abaso.
The new publisher say because independent Democrats say vote for Alan. He will be a great president. Former AGI President Dr. Prince Kofi Klugeson urges Ghanaians and wants them and the new publisher say Otufo, I am a proud Freemason. Nimfonye da hanum say what for na hofa de no out na konyum kama. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say December elections will be like Sini for NDC. Dr. Bawumia and I said the new publisher. I'm new to say Sinino. And the best almost only 1 year. The anchor the Obakata was saying GCB Bank blows $33,000 on board members trip. Leaked memo reviews 18,000 per diem, 12,000 for a hotel, and 3,000 for traveling days. And once our hand say Ghana's climate change mitigation efforts take off, and Parliament to reverse increment for dialysis says approval was an error. Hey. Today the Obakata as well say Indu Basha say Kasabe who say Okana say Basha say Kasa say hashtag bring back GN Bank national tour or Tusa and Amona for Ghana for na Kasa debi GN Bank as say Saba. Ghana's public debt increases hits 658.6 billion Ghana cedi and Enim Hadam say ambulance case lawyer questions AG's intention. The new find that the Obokrat as well. Okay.
Me don't want to pay you much more kwa Badwam TV Badwam so.
Oh, me no ba mejo so na no pay.
Yeah, that's it. Papa, what are my hina o free?
Franco Florida.
Okay.
Vice Assemblyman. Oh, yeah. Honorable Marco to be in persuasion.
Yo.
No judgment.
That's it.
Now, with the man for Quenya, now that it is Adom to them, they took for the idea to club from the money team.
That's it.
If you 70 beer, Miss Simon News, beer, can say yes. It would out for the same up on board the mamma.
That's it.
Now, more Dr. Aladi Bawumia Swapaso.
92 year MP. The oil for the crew, a mark for the crew, a change. But dear for the asphalt. For the community, as like a see, and the demand the MP. And the MC, the Biancatunia MC, no MP, Kaboom. No more share about input room quality and your cousin. It's not for the idea. Nipaya idea.
Yeah, that's a papa panty lines now. You be over per street and a day. Oh, my idea, be a Canadian no call 0302 211 701 702 703.
Then you find that the Democrats has a 2.32 billion inflows expected, signing of OCC to unlock funds to restart stalled projects. And Crancher Sema Finance Minister Dr. Mohammed Amin Adom at the Ghana for any man say AI takes center stage at CEO Summit today, and big one, government initiates monthly dialogues to address concerns of businesses. And once the Republic Press is to say AG drops bombshell. Reviews Atto Force's attempt to avoid prosecution. And for you know what I'm saying, Italian ambassador holds talk with a Greek minister. And for you know that I'm saying, Brian champion. So, for you know what I'm saying, Daily Guide, the Democrats are saying, Abigail Efiba Tando. Oh, me reading. Abigail Efiba Tando, Ghanaian lady missing in Nigeria. Ghana ni awayera e Nigeria. I'm the phone you about. Asem Kesiepa actually Daily Guide. The name was saying. Ambulance case, secret recordings, plea letters exposed. After Dr. Badwam breaking the 8 is possible.
My infant, I'm a supplement. Obama no pay what and Kaya watch more Badwam TV bedroom.
Me do so, Minesia.
Yeah, that's a papa, na hina free and fee.
Me free and dance, and so getting him on persuasion.
Oh, okay. Obani and see away.
And I'll pay myself a make a chair on him in your Berman say. Mabutu na mutu no na ya de na hye kwan na pa bia me dana me sori me twen se mu mienu be ban sa na me sori akwa adwuma mako madaro manansa se mo gya ye no kakra ina me stress ya na me nya ofakwa bra futu ni nchechre ni nkran hye ne pa de mo di hye mama yanke no so be boa me kakra
ya te ya mi sure pa ya de be ka ho nso ya mo ka ne yetie nti ene ya wo so do dia be ye be hwe how ye be manage tu no ya mi sure yakoso atie ya da se papa yemfa Victor
What do Victor Kasanafi ya rapport
Victor no pay mo ache mo akwaba
Madam efiane omahene meso mekasafi ko foridia
okay
na mepese medi asemi tuja ye nyina yedo MPP amanyuko me MPP ni mapa na mum mini abe me bi phrase si aso kasafi akoso kasafi ko foridia se MP na bon ho mo den fa ko foridia be bia ye asphalt wo baby amisro baby adia da one fan to a free talk in very nimse ko fodia se ba no ayi abato obobo MPP pa mestre se o mahene eni efia bi yanka efia da ba ku dinka momo de amra na mmehade efi se o be ye 6 March yi a mo asphalt kum sisi kum kama free baby akufodia Vodafone office no wo eko asemi awuko nkrakan no eko zongo ni mu hono chese quota na bitumen ba kumpo yamfa to kwan no so so wo do car free you boss anase otibu aten na odia wo se wo kozongo ekwan ni nyenyenyenye mawo akesie street life cry bi nya adwuma mesremo mo de anka betimi anka da ko mo mra na mfo bi mahade enye fe
yeah that's it
enye fe nti esremo a ekonkra kan so santi odi mesremo mo hwe na mo kan wasema
yeah that's it papa so abekire odi
yeah we are na okay for bakoko
me don't want to pay mo ache mo akwaba
odo for me joso
yeah that's it papa na free here no pay no din
Eye friend of Atame free and grandson of Drummond.
Yo. Eni ya mo akwaba mpacho yenti o.
Joso anopai de asonje Adom TV de de be kan senya minshira no.
Amen.
Cause de mo betimi aye no. Yi TV akodo doso o man mu nanso de mo betimi no dem. Nti e fast kwan we so aboma baso.
That's it.
De be kan grandson of you problem pa I say mesra Adom TV for say ya wo for money be hwan kan of kakrama e Nimsa me kan sa no. O bank ransa no fo. Ntimi family sense no bon kire se kwanwe. Ye dwu so kra de abo agusu na koba se kota. Eti TV so de eti radio de ya to kwanwe ya na asfalt kwanwe ya no foforo. Ukranza no fo ni. O bank ransa no fo a. Kra wo kranza no fo bie no ha wo kwan papa. Wonam so a wobetuma call even third year akra. Deni enye no nko a one district one factory no kre
and Kranza no
you nation Kranza no you punchu ba ko kra aban no
and Kranza no ekwani de enye papa for over 20 years
papa you found here that's it the mreno na aso nti papa for we twa to na
ebe na so de ewie dwodie nyina am say ensem ahodo ya brobo so nyina so da nti
okay
for bi so na
nti no not say ye kwa di agudie mu nsam no eba na week yi mu so kan ye ho me papa bi asode ne ya doso mesrewo eya critical afi na omu rush entransa wiki mu nyina ya kasa fa prostate ho bo prostate no ho ban mesrewo
can na musi ya edi 40 still ya edi 40
from 35
you see above from 35
you said they 35 no starting go kwab no nim say bibia se sanwe ya bra bom ya setena mu ni ade
the cameraman who you when you simple number 35 shall osmosis the what 35 shase
koko check you
motia na mo kasa de bia aduane bia mo bedi for pom de unsem sika de problem osofo kwachi bibi bia o de be shewo dum
obeka hwe
bibi bia
esra mo week mu nkomo ano no ti mesro ye bema wo de tie bi fine na de no kura ye kura hu no enti
na me bo abaso abo maame na obetra
breast cancer survivor
akukudru odi kasa na ama ne kwa
because you will be a yaka bi a kire no se wakwa kwotena
asori fi akukudru odi kasa
ni bidru frafra
oh jesus
nanso
so we share pa
omodo so survivors na die omo kon masama emu odin ti mesrew me ma no mesrew entwen emedru state a afi na ne pesika kwachake
bibi wo ma prayer council kwa yesa diwi
wo mpa yesa osofo bai esremo nyamme ye nyina esum no wayi nipa wa asase so
omo nimdie yeah
nti wo fa asase so nimdie awrade de adom wo no na de ne de enso kan wo work perfectly ntam now yes wo to eno na agu de wo ho ahye nyame ho nko ano se no nko antimi ensolve so yes ye mfa se kan so ade bi wo ho age se ye de kan na ama solution esro wiki mu nkomo ano no na afi ahosepe nso aba na adwada ebe kenya wo ahome ahosepe nsuo no tosa na nkofo aye do kakra sore ade ache na ye adwuma pa adwuma ma ho ye wie pa semidi ka beba interviews bi nso ho ede bebro semidi ka na afi o ma atena se ne pensem mu mpenfo ede nkomo adaroma koso amane na ha wo ko awrade mfa nkomra e wo tumi join ye live on Facebook/Adom TV extra and I'll call YouTube. I will search Adom TV tube. Ubenya ye wo ho. Dwumadi bebre ya hyehyɛ de kama wonti. Wo ahwa amaye.